Packing our bags to leave rural China. Goodbye Jiangzhai, and hello ChongQing. Smoking at the platforms. Thank you, China. Categorized to the locals as one of China's furnaces. Jeez. Mainly due to its palette of Sichuan-centric meals and the amount of absorbed heat. This cable car ride was packed to the brim. I got pushed by some lady just to get a view of the city. The things I do for you, Tun. As the night fell and dripping of sweat, we'd arrived at the landmark Riverside Mall. What was in store was a free weekly show to anyone that was by the riverside. Luckily, with a wide lens, I can capture every illuminated drone. I mean, good on them for taking any opportunity to advertise. Fellow people, we are gathered here today at Laziba Station to witness this amazing tourist attraction. Are you ready? Nice. On the agenda today, we went to go visit the Yuzhong district. In what feels like Federation Square, your expectations are severely subverted because you are on the 22nd floor. Some people call it mind-bending, but my mind was not that bent. Now feast your eyes on this, the convenience of using China's electronic pay. The main act being Hongyedong being illuminated, we decide to treat ourselves to some Peking duck. And with Raffles City, the closest shopping center, being about 30 minutes away from Hongyedong, dusk had started to approach. In the crowd, there was a Chinese woman and her tattoo said, "Stay true to yourself," in English. I didn't realize they did it in reverse. The next big challenge are the crowds. And after that, not getting stuck in a crowd crush. Although one thing was certain, we were quite happy to go back to a very affordable $90 a night 5-star hotel. That makes it $45 per person. On the agenda today was a chill day in ChongQing, so we returned to Raffles City, with the evening consisting of hot pot. We caved in and bought this Tom and Jerry blind box. It's not the one I wanted. That's the one I wanted, and that's the one I got. In the mood for something familiar, we got Italian. I love cheesy crust. It seems like popular retailers in these shopping centers are a one-to-one with what you'd pay back home. So, it's not much of a point shopping. And now we've arrived at the Guinness World Records largest hot pot restaurant. Megan said that the mild hot pot is like the hottest bottle at Nando's. And I said, oh hell no. ChongQing is nice, with an established city consisting of many levels coinciding with one building can get a bit confusing. And with hints of other East Asian cities, it can seem familiar, although the locals pride themselves over the fat content in their pork and duck. At times, it made me nauseous, but there's definitely enough sweet, savory, and tangy for everyone. As someone traveling, the people make up a large portion of your experience. What's certain is that it's an every man for themselves mentality. They probably don't mean to be rude, although someone growing up in a Western country may think so. I believe that China is like the Asian version of America. Anything goes. With that being said, you do have to see it for yourself, because what you see on social media is what you get, but being there is a completely different thing. Everyone should do China once in their life. Tiramisu.
Why is it called tiramisu?